Once you automate, you never go back.
Welcome to ParserData. Stop wasting time on manual data entry. Let's start with a quick login using your Google account. Just a couple of clicks, and you're in. Here is your dashboard, clean and intuitive. Let's hit the Upload button to add our documents. Take a look at this invoice. Complex tables, foreign text, dates. Manually typing this into Excel is a nightmare, right? But not for our tool. Just drag and drop, or select your file. The system handles PDFs and images instantly. Now for the best part. No need to set up manual templates. We simply click Detect Fields with AI. The AI scans the document and automatically identifies key data: invoice numbers, dates, amounts, and taxes. You just check the boxes for the data you need to export. Complete control. Supplier addresses, specific line items, everything is recognized correctly. All set? Great, let's hit Extract Data. Go ahead, take a sip of coffee while ParserData does the heavy lifting. And done. Look at that. Your data is extracted and structured. No typos. Every digit and every letter is exactly where it belongs, matching the original document perfectly. And now, the magic. Click Download Excel, open the file, and voila! Your PDF has transformed into a perfect Excel spreadsheet, ready to use. Save hours of work with ParserData. Try it today.